Hey English learners, how's it going? I hope you are having a wonderful day. I am so excited to practice English speaking with you. As you know, this is my day 5 of English fluency test. And each day I pick a different topic and talk about it. Today I am going to talk about that thing which we are facing in our daily life. Yes, I am talking about distractions. For me, right now, I have a major distraction, which is my mobile phone, and sorry, especially the notification on my mobile phone. You know, whenever whenever any notification pop up on my phone, what I did, I immediately pick up my phone and just start. First I see First I check that message. Then after that, what I did, I just start scrolling and scrolling. You know, and I, I never realized how much time I wasted just scrolling. Uh, I mean, how much time I wasted because of that a single notification, because of that a notification, or because of that notification. I don't know which one is right, but I check it later. So yeah, let's continue. Do you ever feel like this type of distraction? But this happened always in my life, in my daily life. So what I decide, to be honest, I think a lot and I have to decide. I have to decide. I, I need to remove this distraction. So what I did for this, first thing, you know, what first thing which I did, I uninstall all the apps which I never use. It just installed on my phone by default. So first thing I did, I uninstall all the apps which I don't use. Second thing, I just I turned off the notification. Yeah, I turned off the notification of those apps which I rarely use. So yeah, this is one of my best decision. Now whenever if I have to check something on a particular app, what I did, I just go and check and then close the app. Now I never disturbed by those notifications. And third thing, I just turn on, I think this is the right word. I turn on only I turn on only two apps notification. First one is my call and second one is WhatsApp. The WhatsApp notification are major part of our distraction. Major part of our distraction. This is correct? I don't know. I will check later. I turn on only those group or chat notification on WhatsApp which I have which I have to know and which I need to know about, which I need to aware about those messages. So yeah, I just turn on those group or chat notification. Otherwise I mute all the I mute or I turn off the notification of all the chat and groups in my WhatsApp or on my WhatsApp. Again, I check it later which preposition we have to use in WhatsApp or on WhatsApp. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. So yeah, so by these simple hacks or by these simple steps, I remove at least my 90% of distraction which caused by my phone. So now you tell me, Do you feel like these distraction? If you feel, just type yours in the comment section. And again, I clear one thing. I am only practicing here. I am an English learner. I am an English learner and I may make many mistakes. It's about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, of course, many other. So, alright, this is all about my day 5. I will be back with day 6. Keep practicing, keep growing. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for supporting. And please give your support by liking this video. See you soon.